Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Venmo. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start investing into cryptocurrency and you want Venmo to be your brokerage. How do you actually go ahead about doing this? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the first thing that we're going to do is hop onto Venmo. Now once you have Venmo opened up, you want to click on crypto on the bottom right hand corner. And then from here, you want to click on buy. So once you click on buy, you can choose a crypto to buy. So you can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Chainlink, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Go ahead and click on Bitcoin, enter the amount that you want to go ahead and purchase. And then you're going to see a review and buy confirmation. You just need to choose your payment method and then click on purchase. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and buy Bitcoin on Venmo. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.